Hello, friends. Let us begin with a new chapter, Arithmetic Progression. Let me give you an introduction about this chapter, how this came into picture. So, as I've written on the slide, invention of arithmetic progression was given by Johann Carl Friedrich Gauss. Why did I wrote this name? कुछ खास बात है. So here is a story how he found the method. इसके पीछे बड़ी अच्छी एक स्टोरी है. क्या स्टोरी है? Let me share this story with you. Many years back, a teacher was teaching the students in the class, and the teacher has to go outside the class for some important work. So what happened? The teacher gave the students one question, that find the value of s equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and it goes on up till 100. क्योंकि टीचर ने ऐसा माना that all the students will start doing it like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and as a result they will take some time, and in the meanwhile teacher can do his or her work outside the class and can come back, so that there is no noise in the classroom. But astonishingly, as soon as the teacher gave this question, one of the students stood up in the class, and he said that he's done with the question, and the answer to the question he gave was 5050. And you won't believe, astonishingly, this answer was totally correct. Even all the students as well as even the teacher, all of them were surprised that how the student came with a very quick answer. So then the teacher ने सोचा ऐसे कुछ कह दिया होगा बच्चे ने. So the teacher asked that student to explain the solution, how he did this question. So this guy said what he did is, जैसा टीचर ने s इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 2 प्लस अप टिल 100 लिखा, उसने उसी सीरीज को 100, 99, 98 एंड इट गोज ऑन अप टिल 1 ऐसा लिख दिया. और ऐसा लिखने के बाद he added this as well as this. So as a result, 2s is equal to 100 plus 1 is 101, 99 plus 2 is 101, 98 plus 3 is again 101, 4 plus 97 will again be 101, and this will also be 101. ये जो मैंने सर्कल्स किए ये सारे के सारे 101 ही एडिशन आ रहा है. और ऐसे ऐसे पेयरिंग, कितने पेयर बनेंगे? दिस इज 1 पेयर, दिस इज सेकेंड पेयर, दिस इज थर्ड पेयर, एंड दिस इज द 100th पेयर. तो 100 टाइम्स ऑफ 101, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट एस की वैल्यू सिंप्लीफाई की तो 50-50 आंसर निकल के आया. एंड दिस गाय वॉज कार्ल फ्रेडरिक गॉस. दिस इज हाउ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ arithmetic progression came into picture. And obviously the teacher as well as the students, both of them learned this new method. And not only those students and that teacher learned this method, this person, this guy, Carl Friedrich Gauss, gave many inventions in the field of sequence and progression. So this is the short story behind the invention of arithmetic progression, and let us now go in detail what is arithmetic progression. इस चैप्टर के अंदर में हम अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है ये जानेंगे. टर्म्स, 4 टर्म दी हैं, 5th टर्म कैसे निकालेंगे, n टर्म्स दी हैं उनका सम कैसे निकालेंगे. तो इस तरीके की सारी चीजें रिलेटेड टू द अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इन दिस चैप्टर.